Oh my goodness, Mike Greenlee has done it again. I have found something that's impossible to find. Here is a camp located on a lake in West Virginia, O'Brien Lake. You just can't find a camp on a lake. But this one is in the tailwaters of that lake, and it is a really cool place. You could build a house on it if you wanted to. There's electricity down there, believe it or not. There is a small little building there that it's sheetrocked inside and everything could be made into a tiny house with a little addition maybe to it. There is a picnic shelter. Picnic shelter even has one of those grills like in a state park there. As you notice in the background, there is another log cabin back there, but it's just a little weekend thing. The gentleman who owns this, he says he's only seen the guy there once, all the times he's ever been there. So it is kind of your own little Shangri-La down there. There is public hunting there in the region. The fishing, of course, is fabulous in O'Brien Lake. A lot of people talk about that. And it's easy to put a boat in. If you have a large boat, you can put it in at Statz's Mill and run it up the lake to here. Or you can put your canoe or kayak in right there on the property. So anyway, give me a call. Old Fences Realty, 304-927-4400. Or call my cell phone, 304-377-3758. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit that subscribe button. A little cartoon bell will appear. Click on that. And that's your notifications. Thank you. Thank you.